Worthless tub of excuses, Kevin Owens, that's who we're talking about? Like I've done with this entire company for 10 years now. I'm the man around here. What the hell is this? You're interrupting my interview time.
Yeah. Oh, wait, so then what other part? The one where you say you steal the show, you're the main event. Everybody. Oh. Come on, back it up! Come on, go back, Joel! Come on, show up!
Inside now! You! Out of here! Get in your car and get out of here! You understand?
I'm just trying to get
done with you!
Can you elaborate why you canceled tonight's main event?
Kevin Owens instigated, that's why he was sent home, and Dolph Ziggler is still here. I have a few ideas. I'm going to go see to it now, and I'll circle back to you.
Finn Balor will go one-on-one with Shinsuke Nakamura.
Cut the music! I got something to say. You know what? A while ago, I watched the entire McMahon family come out in this ring. You know, now we have to sit back every week on every show.
Hey, enough out of you.
You're here.
Hey, enough.
Good. You
Cut it. Cut his mic off. There we go.
in the back, in the locker room, who breaks their back week in, week out on TV. Does not
Cut his mic now. Cut it. Thank you. Make sure he stays out.
This Sunday at Extreme Rules will be in the same ring at the same time. And following that summit,
Begging for someone to knock on his door. Someone has answered.
remember on the SmackDown Live brand, Balor, Nakamura, it's next.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Shinsuke Nakamura! And this is exactly what Nakamura needed. Some time away from dangerous he can be. Finn Balor! Two superstars do battle on SmackDown Live, but certainly far from strangers to one another.
Caught up with Finn Balor before we went on the air this evening, and we asked Finn,
But that could be the downfall of the champion. Nakamura in a desperate, what it's like being in the ring with a desperate Shinsuke Nakamura.
Oh, now Nakamura looking for the sunset flip and a kick right. Nakamura's going to try and make a name for himself at my expense. He's in for a kick and didn't catch it. And there is Finn Balor with the elbow cross.
Oh, counter by Shinsuke.
Oh, kick right to done. Look out. Oh, and he caught him.
Beautiful.
Some Nakamura.
Balor.
Swing blade.
Able to stop.
Think about the coup de grace, and it's Nakamura trying to steady himself, and instead gets rocked. Scared the man who won the 2018 Royal Rumble match. Wait a minute,
Shasa.
of 9, and Balor beats the count back inside the ring. Oh,
Another.
KD strike, cover, Nakamura is pinned. Here in WWE, the entire roster should be on high alert. Nakamura has pinned the Intercontinental Champion, Finn Balor.
We wanted him last night, and then we had that little thing, a little mishap with Cedric Alexander.
Still won.
That's true.
So going into the Sunday, not only do we have the clear physical advantage,
Shane, what you did was bogus, man. This was my night out. Got it? Yeah.
But since you're so willing and ready to go, you
Always.
should use this energy. Go one-on-one with Roman Reigns.
I like it. It's good.
The big dog.
And Nikki Cross, the contract signing, next on SmackDown Live.
It is said that you can deny the truth all you want. I offered you the option of safety. Hustle behind what you're doing. I see what you truly are, Kofi. For all those that you have called family, that you have taken from Kofi, I will take the WWE Championship.
Nikki Cross!
To the SmackDown Women's Championship.